So Ocean Park Inn is a good example of a small property because we've talked about Valley View Casino, which is a big casino, casino floor, large area campus, HR buildings. Ocean Park Inn is a smaller property. It's along the beach, and just quite great. And so they wanted just a simple panic button solution. But what's been great about them and so the example is small buildings, we can do them, no problem. But it's also, again, this is a good use case, is as with Elvin, I've actually sat down with him several times and we look at his line item budgets and saying, what is your cost for this? What is your cost for refrigeration if it goes down? What is your cost for water? What is your cost for other things? And then we go line by line and say, this is what the cost would be to add this in. Does it make sense financially to do it? What is your payback period? Is it under a certain time? And we've set it up there under a certain time, we install it. If it's not, then we don't install it. But we sit down and we look at their line item budgets and their line item cost structure from past year and figure out how can we help them become more efficient in running their operations. So I think it's a prime example. And this is a good example of, while the difference in between a 50% accurate, 70% accurate, or even 90% versus ours makes a difference, because we're able to get down to the room level and know when someone's in a room if we have that turned on. So if it's a union hotel, we don't have it turned on, but we are able to track and create efficiencies and identify it. So I'll open up again. Vanessa or Rajesh, what have I missed or anything?
No, I think that's a that's a good summary of what we had to do in both Valley View and Ocean Park Inn. I think those are good examples, Jeff.
Yeah, thanks. By the way, just a shout out to Ocean Park Inn. If you guys are looking for a great hotel on the beach, in San Diego, great place to go.
Yeah.
love doing going there and working and talking to Elvin, because I get to look right at the beach. So